Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Corolla car key battery. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the small slot on your key fob's side or bottom. This slot is where you'll begin to carefully pry open the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Having the right tools makes this simple task much easier, ensuring a smooth battery replacement process for your key fob. Once you've located the slot, gently insert your flathead screwdriver and twist it slightly to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to force it. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation. This will help you insert the new one correctly. Then, use the screwdriver to carefully pop out the old, depleted battery from its compartment. Now it's time to install the fresh battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly. Then, press firmly until you hear and feel the key fob snap shut securely, indicating it's properly reassembled. With the new battery installed and the key fob reassembled, the final step is to test it out. Head to your car and try the lock and unlock functions to ensure everything is working as expected. Press each button to confirm they all respond correctly. If your key fob isn't working, double-check the battery orientation. You should be good to go. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.